welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing our pack with me, getting ready for our summer vacation road trip, and also some hacks, tips, and tricks I have if you are a family that's going to be doing a road trip or a vacation slash staycation this summer. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know, and definitely hit that red subscribe button down below. I'm a mom and I share videos about being a mom, being a Jewish mom, and I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. So in just a few days, me and my family are heading off on our first trip in such a long time. We used to travel so much before 2020 because my family lives in LA and we have family all over the country, so we're very used to traveling and packing up, but it has been a while, and we're going to the beach this summer, which we've been to before with the boys, but this time we need to bring like all the linens, all the towels, that sort of thing, cleaning stuff. So I'm kind of going to show you guys, walk you through how I packed. I was super organized this year, and I was also inspired by another YouTuber, Emily Norris, who did a staycation come pack with me video, and I was like, yes, I need to be that organized this year. So let's jump in. Let me show you guys what I got going on. So the thing I'm actually most excited to pack is this stroller wagon. It's from Evenflow. It's called the Pivot Explore All-Terrain Stroller Wagon, and it's amazing. So we're not bringing a stroller with on this trip. If you're going anywhere like in nature, the beach, to the mountains, lake, that kind of thing, this is the ultimate best stroller. We've actually been using it around our neighborhood since we got it. We take it to the pool, we take it on all our walks. My kids absolutely love it. They're in that tricky age range where they're sort of out of the stroller zone, but not totally yet, and I absolutely highly recommend and love this wagon for that. So here I'm going to show you guys how you can push it and pull it. All you have to do is shift the handlebar over, which makes it really nice. So if you're going over sand at the beach, for example, you can switch it to a pull wagon. And then this is how it folds. It also folds for the child to climb in, which is really nice. And then it folds flat like for your car. It still is large, but like I said, I'm so excited to take it with us. How do you like your new wagon? Can you tell me what your favorite part of the wagon is?
The seats.
The seats, are they comfy?
Yeah, they're comfy.
What about the snack tray?
Oh yeah, the snack tray, yeah. And these stuff, and the wheels.
So the wheels are your favorite part?
Yeah.
You want to put up the sunshade?
Yeah.
Sunshades!
Okay.
Not very sunny today though, huh? Hi, Coco. Okay, so I'm going to start at this end of the table with all the fun stuff for the boys and all the stuff for in the car for the actual road trip. I have a 2-year-old boy, a 4-year-old boy, and another little boy on the way. By the way, if you're interested in any pregnancy content, I've got it all going up on my channel. So what I've got going on for the car is they each have their own little backpack, and inside is everything they're going to need for the journey. The one thing that's not in here yet is this set of Magnadoodle boards from Amazon. This was only like $10 for both of them. One is a little bigger, one's a little smaller, so if you have kids where everything has to be exactly the same, this probably isn't the perfect set, but my kids don't care about that, and I wanted to kind of give this to them at the beginning of the trip, kind of new and in its box as a present, so that's why I haven't unwrapped that one. But in each of their bags, I'll show you guys what they have. Max is my 4-year-old, so his main thing is the tablet. This is the Amazon Kids Fire tablet. I really recommend it. I'm actually going to be doing a full tutorial video about why I think this is the best tablet for kids, and it should be on the Prime Day sale very soon. So if you're in the market for one, it should be like $50 on Prime Day. Anyways, so his tablet, his headphones, which he may or may not use in the car, and then a few little things which will probably be more for when we stop along the way for lunch, like at a restaurant, rather than actually using in the car for him, but he has it anyways, and that is this Crayola sketchbook, some triangular crayons so that they don't roll across the table, and then one of these mess-free marker sets. So that's what's going on in his backpack. And then Corey is 2. He has pretty much the same thing except for the tablet, because I'm hoping that he will nap, so I don't want to give him the tablet. I also have not bought a second tablet yet. I'm hoping to on Prime Day coming up. So that's why his doesn't have that. But other than that, just the same things, the coloring stuff, the Magnadoodle, and he should be fine. My boys are like pretty good in the car. And then of course we also have our iPad, like mine and my husband's iPad, so if he really needs to watch a show, we can give him that. The more fun stuff, we are bringing some toys with us. The first are a set of little Disney characters. My boys really like playing with these in the pool, like splash pad situation or bath, so I want to make sure to bring lots of water stuff because we're going to the beach and there's going to be a pool and baths. And then my other favorite tag-along toy are these Alphabots. I've shared them before on my channel a bunch, but they're little robots that fold into all the letters of the alphabet. My 4-year-old loves letters. He can read. He's like obsessed with words and spelling. So these kind of have a double purpose because they can play around and do lots of movement skills with them, like, you know, dexterity stuff, but then they can also do spelling. So these are great for like restaurant, on the go, or to bring to the Airbnb. Then for my 4-year-old, I also have his set of Legos. This is just a little like carrying case to go set. I, by the way, will link everything I can down below in the description box, but it's just an extra set of Legos. Just, there's no like, you know, there's no set of instructions on what to make, just for him to play with, probably when my younger son is like napping in the afternoons. Then for books, what I love about the Amazon Fire tablet is it has a ton of books already on it for free. But I just brought a few for my older son to read. This series, I Need a New Butt and My Butt is Noisy, is new to him, but you guys really recommended it for me. I asked what kind of like funny books you had for like 4-year-old boys, and this was top of the list, so I'm sure he'll get a kick out of that. And then he loves Elephant and Piggy books. They're his favorite ones to read. So I got him the Biggie set, which is, each one I think has 5 Elephant and Piggy books in them, and most of them he doesn't have yet. So I thought that would be really great, and that's like a new present for him. He'll be excited to read it. Also by the same by the same author, Mo Willems, I got I Want to Sleep Under the Stars, which is just a new series about these squirrely characters. So I hope he'll like that too. And then new for my younger son is this set of Rockin' Gems Surprise. We actually played with this at a friend's and he loved it, so I'm hoping he'll like this too. I'm not bringing too many toys, as you can see, and we're gonna be there a while, so I'm hoping with some of the new toys that it'll be exciting and that they'll, you know, play like that. We also will bring their cars. They're like car obsessed, so we will bring their cars. Other than that, this is all we're bringing. Okay, then beach toys. We are going to the beach, and those shops near the beach can be really expensive for things like this. So I just picked these up at Target. They were $3 each in the dollar spot. I got the boys matching like buckets and shovels and then one extra little set. So I wanted to just come to the beach with a few things so that we're not like, you know, gonna buy too much once we're there. Okay, then speaking of beach and pool, this is our beach bag, and we've actually been using it to go to the pool for the past week or so now, and it's awesome. It's like the Amazon beach bag. It's about $20. I'll link it. What's awesome about it is it's super lightweight because you're going to be filling it with towels and like who knows what. It's so nice that it's light, and then it's got a ton of pockets on the exterior. So I put like the kids' water bottles and sunscreen and things like that so they don't get lost in the big bag, and then it's perforated so the sand just like goes out. So that's my favorite thing for the beach. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you over into the clothes and show you guys how I've set it all out, and then I'm gonna pack it all up. So for the boys, they've each got a set of t-shirts. I tried to do just over a week's worth, so I hopefully won't have to do too much laundry. If you didn't notice already, I love to match them, so that's what you'll see going on. So they've got shirts, shorts, and then I brought a hat, a rain-like jacket, but it's lined, so it's also warm, a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a pair of pants, because even though it's summer and the beach, it still can get cool. So they've each got that set up. Then I've got pajamas for each of them. My youngest one's in diapers. My older one, I have underwear somewhere over there and socks. And then for their shoes, if you guys have not tried the natives yet, these are all like dirty because we've already been wearing them, but they are so good for summer because you can just slip them on. But unlike sandals, they won't trip in them. So I really love that they're like full shoes, but they're super lightweight, waterproof, easy to slip on and off. So those are our favorite summer shoes. These have lasted. These were for my older son. Now they moved down to my younger son. My older one has new ones. And then we just got a set of the Sauconys. Really for camp, but I thought I'd bring them with just in case for like a colder day. Okay, then bathing suits wise, I've got their bathing shirts, bottoms. These are also from the Target dollar spot. They were $3. They probably won't wear them more just for fun and to try them out, but I wanted to bring those with. And then these are their water bottles. These are the Yeti ones, which I know is like, oh, why would you buy a Yeti water bottle for your kid? But because they last, they've had them for over a year now, and they've been doing so well, so I'm very happy about those purchases. Then back there are my clothes, which I do need to add a little bit to. It's so hard, like with me being pregnant, I don't have enough to like pack everything away too many days before. And then I'm bringing a fanny pack, which I love for the beach or the pool. It makes things so much easier. My hat, cameras. I brought some masks with because the boys will still need to wear them if we go inside. Laws here. My travel hairbrush, all the sunscreen. These are me and my husband's water bottles. I just got this lunchbox at Target also, which I'm hoping to use for the beach, like if we want to bring some food with us. And then this is all the towels and sheets. We had to have 2 or 3 full sets for all of us, all the beach towels, all the bath towels. So that is going to take up a ton of room. So here is everything. And now it's time to pack it up. I'll just show you guys one extra thing. That's my dog, by the way. I keep this in the car. Always. I usually keep their shoes in here, but what I'm keeping in here now is the outfits that we're going to take day of, a trash bag just in case for the car, and anything else we'll need in the car I'm just going to throw in this bag, like to use day of in the car. Otherwise I'm going to try and get everything except probably the towels in those 2 suitcases. So first up, I'm going to be using my packing cubes. These are just a set from Amazon. I think they were about $20 each, and they come with 4 different sizes, and I have 2 sets of them, so 1 for each boy, and then I use the larger ones for myself and my husband. But I really recommend packing cubes. They're so helpful. You'll see at the end how everything just fits super nicely in the suitcase, and the best part is when you get to where you're going, you just like take out each cube, put it in each person's room, and I find it really helpful and simplifying, especially if you have multiple people you're bagging for, or if you just like being organized. So each boy had their own mini cube right there, and then this is the car bin, as I like to say, where I put everything that they're going to need for the drive, including some extra clothes, hand sanitizer, everything like that that we could need in the car, so it's not like packed away in suitcases. I actually also put an extra outfit in there just in case there's any spills when we stop for lunch. I also put masks and paper towel, just things like that that we could need along the way. So this is the large size packing cube that I'm packing my stuff in. Like I mentioned, I have a few more things I need to put in there, but there's lots of extra room. It's amazing to me how much always fits in there. But here I am putting away all the boys' cubes in their suitcases. Like you see, it just fits so nicely. It looks great, appeals to my sense of organization and order. And then this is my cube going into my suitcase. And then I'm just adding in a few last minute things to mine. Toiletries, things like that. I have this bag that I put all the sunscreens and also toiletries in for the boys, so I'll basically like take it out when we get there, you know, put their stuff in their room, and then the rest will be a beach bag. I've got my book that hopefully I'll get a chance to read a little bit, maybe in the evenings. And these are bags from the Container Store. They're really awesome, but I will say that they break really easily. You cannot overstuff them. So I filled this one pretty full with our sheets, and it fit, everything was fine, but the next one I did with towels and it broke tiny bits, so just a warning on those. And one last thing I have to throw in is this blackout curtain. We take it everywhere we go. It's from Amazon. It's amazing. I will link it. You can put it up. You can put it up on any window. Okay, I did it. I'm all packed up. which is amazing. The only thing I have not packed, I'll kind of show you guys what I got going on, but is the diapers, because I need to make sure that I have enough or if we need to buy more. So I just kept those out. I also have my little list of everything I need to bring day of that we cannot pack beforehand, like our baby monitors, chargers, all that kind of stuff. So I just listed it out so that I remember day of what I have to bring. So here is everything all packed up except my husband's clothes. He'll take care of that himself. But this is all the linens or sheets, all the bath towels. I put all the pool and beach towels in here. These bags, by the way, I've had for, oh my goodness, maybe a decade. They are from LL Bean. I love them so much because they're so structured and strong and last forever. So I always have those extra things in there. The 2 suitcases with the packing cubes, my book, all my stuff, and the boys' stuff is all in this suitcase. The boys' stuff is all in this suitcase, and their little packing cubes are in the car bag, our beach bag with the toys and beach toys, and then the things that I'm like gonna give to the kids and some of their extra toys. So that is everything all packed up. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're getting to go somewhere fun this summer with your kids and enjoy the outdoors and everything like that. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.